rainy. Real rainy. There are some beautiful tulip blossoms on the tulip poplar tree. Let me see if I can focus in on those. Oh, look at those. I'm sorry I'm so shaky. Oh, they're beautiful. My mom was just saying at dinner, did you notice the flowers? That's not really what my mom sounds like, but she asked me if I noticed flowers, and I said no, but I noticed the flowers in trees, which is true. Those are beautiful. And when I see flowers on the ground, I'm not too impressed. Oh, yeah. So I climbed a hackberry today, and it's pouring down rain. That's it down there. Of course, it's got vines on everywhere around here. It's got vines on it. It's just the development area I've been coming to a lot. And they kept this little patch of woods, which is nice. That comes from over there. Look at these, hackberry. I didn't even know. I mean, I obviously thought that hackberry would have berries, but now I see them for the first time. Berries. Look at them. Berries. Alright. Say goodbye, tree.